Self-healing marvels, materials that fix themselves. Imagine a world where your cracked phone screen repairs itself. Welcome to the fascinating realm of self-healing materials. These innovative substances can mend their own damage, just like our skin heals cuts. But how do they work? Picture tiny capsules embedded within the material, filled with a healing agent. When the material cracks, these capsules rupture, releasing their contents. The healing agent then flows into the crack and solidifies, sealing it up. Some self-healing materials use a different approach, with a network of veins carrying the healing agent throughout. When damage occurs, the agent flows to the affected area, repairing it automatically. Scientists are developing self-healing concrete, polymers, and even electronic components. These materials could revolutionize construction, reduce waste, and create longer-lasting products. From buildings that repair their own cracks to phone screens that fix themselves, self-healing materials are shaping a more durable future. Subscribe for more.